Welcome to the Ultima Chain business presentation, one of the most promising blockchain projects and global ecosystems built on the Ultima cryptocurrency. In this presentation, we'll explain how this technology can benefit you personally and reveal opportunities for growth in the crypto market and blockchain technology. A brief disclaimer clarifies that we comply with all legal regulations. Over the past 8 months, the Ultima coin has shown impressive growth from $2,000 to $22,000, which is more than 1,100%. On CoinMarketCap, the largest crypto market aggregator, Ultima ranks second worldwide in price after Bitcoin, surpassing tens of thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, Ultima regularly appears in CoinMarketCap's trending coin list, which is visited by over 300 million users every month from all around the globe. Ultima is also repeatedly recognized as the most bullish cryptocurrency based on voting, user activity, and audience behavior. Ultima has already demonstrated remarkable growth and has the potential to reach $100,000 in the near future. It's important to understand that the project is still in the early stages, both technologically and market-wise. The Ultima project was founded in 2016 in Switzerland, and the team has been operating in the market for 8 years. Today, the ecosystem has more than 3 million active users, a market capitalization of $500 million, and over 1,000 employees, from blockchain engineers to marketers and traders. Ultima's main strength is its community, which governs the project and offers tremendous opportunities for every participant. Ultima was founded by Alex Reinhardt, an economist, entrepreneur, venture capitalist, one of the leading experts in blockchain and crypto technologies, and the founder of several projects and companies with a total valuation of over 1 billion euros. Alex is a regular participant at major blockchain conferences and is ranked among the top 10 most influential figures in the crypto market by the Entrepreneur magazine. His achievements are supported by awards, rankings, and coverage in the international press. Ultima has its own blockchain, Ultima Chain. You can find details at ultimachain.com. It provides high throughput, over 2,000 transactions per second, and operates on a delegated proof-of-stake algorithm, giving control to active participants known as super representatives. They validate transactions, maintain the network, and get rewards in Ultima, creating an additional income stream for active users. Ultima Chain is a fully decentralized blockchain where node management is delegated to the community. The users themselves control the network, which is why the project is described as community-driven. The Ultima coin is already traded on top exchanges and is preparing for listing on Tier 1 platforms, including Bybit and Binance. Its smart contract successfully passed an audit by CertiK, confirming the technology's reliability and security as validated by external experts. Ultima also has its own cryptocurrency wallet, Ultima Wallet, that allows you to store coins, use them, and get splitting rewards. What drives Ultima's growth? Its foundation is a unique hyperdeflationary strategy. Demand and the community grow, while supply shrinks rapidly. The hyperdeflationary strategy of Ultima is based on its technology, ecosystem, and community. In addition, it has one of the lowest emissions on the market, only 100,000 coins in total. First, Ultima performs a halving every year, reducing the flow of new coins into circulation. Second, the splitting, staking, and voting technologies encourage the community to hold coins instead of selling them, all while still earning profit. With every transaction on the Ultima chain, a portion of the coins paid as fees is permanently burned. This strengthens the hyperdeflationary model. The supply decreases, and rising demand drives up the Ultima price. What fuels demand for Ultima? It's a robust ecosystem that's expanding in multiple directions. A trading platform, a crypto debit card, the Ultima Wallet, the Ultima Defender Cold Wallet, the U-Marked Marketplace, a Web3 gaming platform with more than 12 million players, and much more. including a trading bot that we'll discuss shortly. All of this actively boosts demand, liquidity, and community. Currently, only 1% of the plan is implemented, with a market cap of $500 million. The goal for the coming years is to reach $50 billion, 100 times the current level. Let's look at 3 ways to profit from Ultima. First, this is the profit from the long-term price growth. Simply holding or freezing Ultima, you can earn profit. For example, buying a coin for $20,000 and selling it 3 years later for $200,000 can result in a 10-fold profit. Second, getting daily rewards from the liquidity pool. By freezing Ultima coins, you will receive rewards in Ultima. You can collect these rewards daily from the Ultima pool directly into your wallet. You can sell these rewards, accumulate them, or freeze them again to boost future profits. And finally, third, working with the trading bot, the main profit generator of Ultima, which earns USDT for you from market fluctuations. Every 24 hours, the market sees a turnover of $30 million in spot trading and $15 million in futures trading, totaling $45 million in daily trading volume. At its core are more than 5 trading strategies that deliver truly stable profits. You choose a license and freeze the required amount of Ultima to activate it. After that, you connect the trading bot to your account on the exchange, deposit USDT, and the bot starts working for you. All the funds remain under your control, and you can pause the bot or withdraw your money at any time. Plus, you begin receiving Ultima from the liquidity pool daily, retaining your coins and boosting your earnings. You can start with a small sum, just 220 euros. Each license has a fixed profit target. The unique feature of this technology is that it isn't time-limited. The bot runs until the set profit goal is reached. Please note that the figures you see now are promotional indicators. The earlier you join, the higher your maximum profit potential. As you can see, all these ways of earning profit are very passive. You freeze your coins, fund your exchange account, start the bot, and collect profits every day. However, the Ultima ecosystem also provides opportunities for those who want to be more active and build a business. All users have access to a partner program, which allows them to earn up to 20% commission for recommending products. The partner program features generous direct bonus and team bonus, which together make up 51% of all marketing payouts. Direct bonus. When you invite a partner who freezes coins, you immediately receive 20% of the amount. Team bonus, a passive income from your entire structure, up to 15 levels deep, backed by dynamic compression, so you don't lose out even if some partners are inactive. This is a great opportunity to start earning today by building your team. You can learn more about other bonuses from the person who invited you. This is just an overview. Get in touch with the person who invited you. They'll show you their results and recommend the best way to begin. Remember, the sooner you join, the higher your potential returns, as maximum yields gradually decrease. If you're interested in these opportunities, act now.